Welcome back. Well, every other Thursday, we're taking a look at a health issue or concern affecting many people, breaking down the information for you and telling you what you need to know to keep you healthy. Dr. Kalani Brady from the John A. Burns School of Medicine joins us now with this week's topic, the CDC's new guidance on mask wearing. Good morning to you again, Dr. Brady. Nice to see you today.
Good morning, Christine.
So do you agree with the CDC's new guidance on mask wearing, where fully vaccinated Americans no longer have to wear masks outdoors unless they're in a big crowd of strangers?
Yes. That being said, this is a recommendation. This is not state of Hawaii law, and we're still awaiting Governor Ige's pronouncement of what Hawaii will require as its mandate. The CDC is acknowledging that we're getting closer and closer to what's called herd immunity. For those of us that have not heard that phrase, that means that the group of citizens that interact in community are basically primarily vaccinated enough that the virus won't spread, and individual cases are very rare. So that's what we're getting closer to, and that's what the CDC is acknowledging. That being said, this is just a recommendation. There are states in the United States with its 330 million people where they aren't as safe, they don't have as few cases as Hawaii does. So Hawaii has one of the lowest case rates for COVID-19 in the United States. And with our tourists, we obviously have exposure. So we should be wearing our masks outdoors. We should be maintaining 6-foot distancing for safety. And we should be using frequent hand washing and use of sanitizing liquid.
Now, Dr. Brady, you talked about herd immunity. We are working towards that. We are approaching that, but there's still hesitancy about getting vaccinated. What do you want to tell people?
The vaccine is a lot safer than COVID-19 disease. Just less than a year ago, remember the number of people in hospitals who died. And this is unnecessary. It is rare now to have a death, partly because of the vaccine. I would recommend a safe vaccine like we have to prevent an unsafe and dangerous disease like COVID-19. The vaccine is safe. It's been given to over 1 million residents of Hawaii, and it is safe.
Now, people are getting vaccinated. We see these mask mandates being eased in other parts of the country. But again, the important message here, a final message, Dr. Brady, people still need to be cautious and stay safe.
Absolutely. This is a new norm. We're not going back to pre-COVID-19 community. We have to use those recommendations that we have to stay healthy. We don't want anyone to die, and we don't want serious disease which maims or handicaps people for the rest of their lives.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Brady, on your